Hey y'all, welcome into Thrift Alive. If you've never watched my channel before, my name's Ryan, and around here we like to go to the Goodwill outlet to find things to one, either flip online for a profit, or two, put in the personal collection. We're going to start this video off just like we did the last one. We're going to go through the 16 items I've sold from Friday to now, which is Sunday afternoon, and we're going to do these really quick. All right, to kick us off, we've got this little Power Rangers snapback hat. Got $13.49, and we listed this back in July. We got $7.99 for this Sony remote that we listed back in April. We got $8.99 for this little Blaze truck. Listed that back in July. Listed these old wooden film frames back in February, and we ended up getting $19.99. Listed this Anna Lee Dragon back in February, and we ended up getting $12.59. Just listed this one the other day, and we got $29.99 for this Eddie Guerrero WWE Legends figure. Listed this Plant vs. Zombies plush back in July, and we ended up getting $39.99. Don't have a SKU date for this Todd Masters pumpkin, but these are really cool, made out of foam. Ended up getting $29 for that one. Listed this Starlight plush from the Death Pile in July. We ended up getting $22.99. Listed this plush from Room on the Broom back in November of 2025, and it finally sold for $14.99. Listed this Sony remote back in June, and we got $10.99. Listed these Thomas the Train Viewmaster reels back in July, and we ended up getting $14.99. Just recently picked up these SteelSeries headphones. We ended up getting $64.99. We got $15.99 for this Farouk figure. Upgraded my Night of the Creeps Blu-ray to a 4K, so I sold this one for $18.99. This is also one of my favorite movies of all time. Then to finish us up here, we got $21.99 for this She-Ra figure. And those are my 16 items I sold. eBay saying about $485 in sales. It's not where I want to be, but it's an improvement over where I've been, so I'm going to take it. And I'm going to get these packed up, and we'll see y'all in the morning. All right, y'all, it's Monday morning now, and we sold 5 more things yesterday. So we're going to go through these real fast, and then we're going to get out the door. Life size on VHS, we got $12.99. WCW Bash at the Beach on VHS, we got $12.99. This Sony remote, we got $10.79. This G.I. Joe Cobra Night Raven piece, we got $14.99. And then this big boy in the back is an Indominus Rex from Jurassic World. We got $39.99 for him. I gotta get these packed up, then we're gonna get these all labeled up, and we're gonna get out the door.
Welcome to the Goodwill outlet. Everything here is priced by its weight, $1.99 per pound. They rotate the belts every hour with new things to look through. Who knows, you might just find me.
Back at it. Let's go get that ass. Just get him. What are you doing?
Doing very well. How about yourself?
Same. I'm here to have fun today.
What are these?
It's like a little extender for a USB.
Thank you.
Yeah,
You know all about that kind of stuff.
smartest guy here, I guess, right?
That doesn't say much.
Look at us.
I'm sorry, forgive me.
Yeah, you're being ornery.
Yes.
Ornery.
They're opening up the tub.
All right. Let me know if you find anything.
Oh, I'm going to kick this.
What is this? Whoa. 3D Blu-ray? This is kind of a behemoth. Let's look it up real quick. $59.99, 50 bucks. Should we grab it? Be an easy shipper too. Oh my God.
Catch me outside, how about that?
Well,
That's all you got?
that's all I got.
Damn. You want to open it? Because I don't. I got enough bad luck.
I'm not superstitious, but I am a little stitious.
Oh, he's doing it. Shoot, look. It's got holes in it. Got the holes. What's that?
Jeez. Jeez, this is what I thought you was going after. That's weird.
Nobody wanted him?
Oh, that's Thomas.
Yeah, I'll take it. God, look at this frightening thing.
No kidding. Is it wood or cast?
It's wood, I think. Looks like Krampus. God. Is it Krampus? Dude, I think it is. What the hell?
I saw that, kind of neat.
You know who that is?
No.
It's Krampus.
Who?
Krampus.
Don't know him. He live around here? Have you found anything?
Not really. Bunch of heavy shit.
We don't want heavy shit.
I know.
We want light shit.
I want smalls. What's this?
All right, I'm going to go out and see.
All right, I miss you.
Look at the saw first.
All right, wow.
Well, that's
Look at that.
kind of nasty.
Show. What is this? 2002. Is that Brat? It is Brat's. 3050. That's a radio? Dude. So this seat is like 10 bucks. Yo.
Be little bitty.
Tennis or pickleball?
Tennis.
What's kind of
Pickleball's.
short?
Isn't pickleball like.
Solid. Really.
Yeah.
That looks short though.
That's what she said.
Red Hat Society.
Some Pacers Corona shirt, dude. If that doesn't look absolutely disgusting. It's a cool shirt, but it's gross. That's a funny shirt right there. That's kind of cool.
She's called Dirty Mary. And the mechanic has a car right in the back seat.
No.
Let him know you made
Ow.
those guys. That's what he-
You all right? Well, it's thick right here. It's thick. Ooh. Probably not.
Be a little bitty.
I never did. In the bathroom, it's all, you know, at the beginning.
The dead man cometh.
Say, baby.
This Barbie Christmas tree. Oh, it's not even in there. Holy.
Say, baby.
Oh my God.
Say, baby.
It's chicken.
Ugh. I don't want to get in that.
Say, baby.
No.
All right, y'all. So we got out of there spending $9.27. So let's just get right into it. We got one Frosty. We got one little person. We got one little cow. And for some reason, I bought this damaged reindeer. We got the little Mario fish. I picked up that seat from that Brad's car. It looks like maybe 10 bucks. Picked up this motorized Arthur Thomas the Train. Maybe 10, 15 bucks on that. Got this little Samsung remote, maybe about 10 to 15 on that. Picked up My Neighbor Totoro. Is that how you say that? On VHS, maybe 10, 15 on that. Or possibly better. There were some weird sold comps on that. Picked up that clear TI 83 Plus. No cover, but I figured I might as well just go ahead and grab it. And then the find of the day has to be all the Bose stuff I pulled. This cable right here looks like it goes for about 20. You guys saw me sell this probably a few months ago. I think this is about 30, 35. And then this Bose remote actually has like sold comps for like $70. I don't know if I'm gonna get that, but this piece right here, definitely find of the day. So overall, not a bad day in there. I would have got the Blu-ray player, but I ended up deciding that it was a little too big and too heavy. And I'm just really trying to focus on trying to get my stuff dwindled down at home. I really like to have no death pile at all, if that's even possible for me. So I was happy with my Bose finds, so I put the player back. But as always, guys, I want to thank you so much for taking the time to watch this one. If you guys enjoyed this, please hit that sub button and become a sick individual today. It helps us out a lot around here. Gets us more exposure to find more sick individuals. But yeah, give me a like, give me a comment, share it. Do all the things you guys do. I appreciate y'all so much. And until next time, guys, take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.